Welcome to the Ownership Review, where we do a bunch of maintenance to see what this car is like to live with on a daily basis.
Here are the high points of the 2016 Chevrolet Camaro. Connecting your phone via Bluetooth is a rather straightforward process. The clear instructions on the touchscreen menu will make this a hassle-free procedure. The brake fluid reservoir is in the back of the driver's side of the engine bay. The level markers are visible on the side of the reservoir, and you won't have to make a long reach when removing the cap to add fluid. Both the oil drain plug and the oil filter are accessible from underneath the vehicle. You won't have to remove any panels nor make a long reach to access either of these parts for an oil change. Not everything is perfect. Here are the pain points. The battery is located behind multiple covers in the trunk. You must use many different size sockets to remove these panels as well as the battery itself, which can be difficult to pull out of this position in the vehicle. The entire glove box housing must be removed before you can access the cabin air filter. This will require tools, and the housing itself will be rather bulky and cumbersome to maneuver. You must work upside down while underneath the vehicle to remove a large panel held on by multiple rivets and bolts in order to access the petcock. This will be an awkward position to work in as you attempt to perform a coolant flush. Overall, the 2016 Chevrolet Camaro has many lengthy and complicated procedures, and is only recommended for those with prior knowledge in vehicle maintenance.